Hello children, today we are going to study noun. I had given many videos on noun like what is noun, collective noun, common noun, proper noun, right? Nouns and gender. Now I'm going to give you a video that is I have made on noun and numbers like noun, singular number and plural number. And I had told you many times what is noun. So what's the definition of noun? Noun is a word that represents a person, a place, a thing or an idea. Okay? I think it's clear to all of you what is noun. Now moving to the next one, you all can see singular noun. It is here at by name. It's also clear. It's a single. Single means one in number, right? And plural. Plural means that is more than one, right? Singular noun means when a noun is one and number, that is known as singular number. For example, boy, girl, book, right? So they are one in numbers, that's why it's a singular number. But when they are more than one number, it's known as plural number, like boys, girls, books, churches. Here the rule number one, which I'm going to discuss with you all: to form a plural, most of nouns we add s to the singular noun, right? For example, you can say bird, no? And what's the plural of bird? It's birds. What we do, it's written here, no? We normally add s. So we added s with the bird, and what do we get? We get birds, right? It's clear, students? Now I'm moving to the next slide. Yes. And singular is written here, and in this column let me write plural. Okay. Plural. Okay. So what's the plural of book? It's books. What's the plural of orange? It's oranges. What's the plural of word? Words. What are we doing here? We are just adding s, na? What are the plural of flower? Flowers. What are the plural of what is the plural of kite? Kites. What is the plural of horse? Horse. So what are we doing here? We are adding only s. So what is the rule? In some, when we have to make plural, we just add s to make it plural. So let's move to the next rule number. What is rule number rule number 2? If the noun ends in sh, ch, x or double s or z, we add es to make it plural. Is it clear? For example, brush. You all can say it ends with sh. So what are we doing here? We are adding es. So it becomes brushes. Lunch, lunches. Fox, foxes. Bus, buses. Success, successes. And buzz, na? It's ending with z sound. Z sound. So what are we adding here? We are adding es. We are adding es. Okay. So buzz becomes buzzes. Notice, you have to just keep in your mind that these words all end in hissing sound. You all can say brush, na? But when we are adding es in that, it becomes brushes, hissing sound. Lunches, foxes, buses, success, buzzes, right? So moving to the next slide. Again, here singular is written here, bus. What's the plural of bus? Buses, right? And it ends with s. That's why we are adding here es, na? What we are adding? We are adding es. Okay? It's written in single inverted comma. Es we are adding. Bunch, bunches. Class, classes. Fox, foxes. Dish, dishes. And church. Now just tell me, churches. Yes. Now I'm moving to the next one. I'll showing you something is written here. Let's read it. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by addition of s, right? What we do, what's the meaning of this? For example, if a noun ends with y sound, right, but it is following vowel sound, there are 5 vowel sounds, a, e, I, o, u, and it's following vowel sound. So what we do, we just add simply s and key become keys, right? I think it's clear to all of you. Let's do some exercises on this. Yes. Ray. What's the plural of ray? It's rays. What's the plural of boy? boys. Now what are we doing here? We are adding just s. Why we are adding only s here? Because when a noun ends with y and y is preceding by an vowel sound, then we do it. Okay, story, stories, monkey, monkeys, valley, valleys, and koi, kois. Right now here I'm moving to the rule number 4. Rule number 4. What is rule number 4? Word ending in consonant plus y. In previous slide we are discussing vowel sound plus y, but here we are discussing consonant plus y. Then what we do? We just remove y, and what we add? We add ies, right? For example, baby. Baby is written here and it is followed by B, and B is a consonant sound. So what will we do here? We just remove Y from here and we will add IES and it becomes babies. Country, countries. Body, bodies. Right? I think it's clear to all of you. Yes, let's try some example. Family, you all can see that the words ends with Y. But before Y, there is a vowel sound. Sorry, there is a consonant sound L. Right? So what will we do? We just remove Y from here and we will add IES. Is it clear? Now moving to the next one, consonant sound. Yes, the same example we are doing here. Consonant sound plus y removes y and add ies. For example, let me give you examples. City, cities. Right, you all can see that y is removed from this and ies is added. Lady, ladies. Dairy, dairies. Family, families. Candy, candies. Duty, duties. And butterfly becomes butterflies. Simply we are doing whenever we find that any words ends with y sound, and before it, if we are finding it there that it is a consonant sound, we are just removing y from there and adding ies. So I'll show you a picture again. It's a rule number 5. Rule number 5 is noun that's end in consonant plus y. Right? For example, tomato. You all can say what is written here, tomato, but consonant plus o na. Consonant plus o, here you can say t. Ta sound. Ta is consonant. So what will we do? We just add es in that, right? For example, one tomato and it's many tomatoes, right? The next one, mango. Mango is one in number, it's singular number. So how we will make it plural? We will just add es while we add e, because it's ending with o and before it it's a consonant sound, so it become mangoes, right? Moving to the next slide, it's rule number 6. Student, you have to write all the rules and examples in your copy. Not all the examples, you can write one or two examples. Okay, so nouns that end in f or fe. Some nouns that ends with f or fe, we add ves to make it plural. For example, what are you watching on the screen? It's knife, one in number, right? But what will we do? We just remove. Now it's written here, if a noun ends with f or fe, we simply remove f or fe and we add ves. So we will add here ves, right? It's ves. What will we do? We just remove fe and we will add ves there. You all, who is he? Yes, he's a thief, right? So what will we do? You all know that it's the word is ending with the sound f. So what will we do? F or fe, we know that it's a rule. We just remove f or fe and we will add here ves. So the plural of thief become thieves. Okay, now rule number 7. You know, there are some rules, but there are some noun also that don't follow such rules. They are just exceptions. They didn't follow any kind of rules. Let's read about them. Singular and plural. Louse. What's the plural of louse? It's lice. What's the plural of tooth? It's teeth. Okay, they didn't follow any rule. Foot, feet. Child, children. Okay, so student, it's your online exercise and you have to do your exercise. What we will do here, arrow, we simply add s bird, birds. Boxes, you know that it's ending with X sound. So what will we add here? ES, right? SH. It's a hiss sound. So what will we do? We will do the same boxes. Okay. The next one, hero. So what will we do? You know it's ending with O and here R. So we know that any noun that ends with O sound, we just simply add ES. Na? So it becomes heroes. Tomatoes. Same thing, O is coming in the last of the word. Knife. What will we do here? We just replace na FE and what will we add? We add KNIVES. Okay. Life, it's again ending with first sound, right? It's F or FE is there. So while converting it plural, what will we do? We just add VES. Okay, so it become lives. We just replace FE, LIVES. Okay. The next one is you have to find out the plural of these words and reply in comment box. But you have to reply in your comment box. You have to write down the beach. You have to write down the plural of family. You have to write down the plural of key. And you have to write down the plural of valley. Okay. You have to write down the plural of man, child, mouse, tooth. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then you can share with your friends also. Like also. Okay. Thank